The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Coryell County in Central Texas, Southeastern Lampasas County in Central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Kempner, or 9 miles west of Copperas Cove, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Copperas Cove around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Fort Hood around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Topsy, Pidcoke, and Rumley. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.